Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Update Instagram, install the newest OS patch, and free a little storage so background processes run. Then, go to your phone settings and confirm notifications are allowed for Instagram. This is why calls won't appear if blocked. Once done, open Instagram and check in-app notification settings under Profile, right arrow settings, right arrow notifications. Make sure call and message toggles are enabled. These first steps fix most permission or outdated app causes quickly, and next, you diagnose connectivity and background operation. Turn off battery saver and remove background data restrictions for Instagram because those often silence call notifications. Test by switching Wi-Fi to mobile data. Network routing can block push notifications. If sound or banners still fail, clear the app cache. This removes corrupted temporary files, or reinstall Instagram to reset internal settings. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off. If it's on, calls won't alert you even when allowed. These steps handle deeper app or network causes. Finish by restarting your phone to apply permission and network changes. A reboot often completes the fix. Then verify notification style, banners, sounds, and lock screen visibility, and set a distinct sound so you recognize calls. Log out of Instagram and log back in to refresh session tokens. If calls still don't show, test your account on another device to isolate phone versus account issues. If the problem persists, contact Instagram support with screenshots. This is the troubleshooting step when local fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.